Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Audible.
Yeah, thank you. So I can come to next. Next of you, can I come to you people? Are you ready? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please proceed. Please proceed. Can you share your screen?
Ma'am, allow me to share my screen.
Now? Just see. Yeah.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
A very warm good afternoon to all. I am Aditya Kumar Pandey, a student of Computer Science Engineering, Chaibasa Engineering College. Today, I have got a golden opportunity to present my views on some of local topics of Jharkhand, that is indigenous and tribal peoples of Jharkhand. Today, I will present about their food habits and festivals. As you can see in the map of India, Jharkhand is located in the eastern region of India. It is the red color it is showing is the state of Jharkhand. Now, as we know that Jharkhand state shares border with
Aditya, one thing I will say.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, your PPT.
Thank you, ma'am.
Font, your PPT, spacing, and everything is very clear and it is very nice. It is means purely it is very clearly visible. The fonts you have used is showing very nicely. It's very sober, simple, and very nice, Aditya. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Aditya.
As we all know that the state of Jharkhand shares border with 5 states, that is Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and West Bengal. And some of them are eastern states and some of them are northeastern states. The area, the approx area of Jharkhand is 79,710 kilometers square, and it is the 15th largest state by area and 14th largest state by population in India. And Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand, and Dumka is the sub-capital. As we all know that we all know Jharkhand for its hill stations, not hill stations we can say, for its forest, hills, and some of the holy places like Badrinath Dham that is situated in the Devghar. Parasnath that itself is situated in Dhanbad. A hill is the highest hill of Jharkhand, and the one more tourist place is Rajarappa. We call it as a Devi Pit of Jharkhand. Now moving towards more.
Parasnath, 1 minute. Parasnath is situated on which hill?
Ma'am, Parasnath is itself in Dhanbad only.
पारसनाथ हिल जो है आपका कहाँ पे है? झारखंड में है?
Yes, ma'am, झारखंड में.
हाँ, तो पारसनाथ हिल क्या है? वो हाईएस्ट हिल है कि पीक है?
Highest peak.
हाँ, हाईएस्ट पीक.
Peak, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now, as you can see that the map of Jharkhand, there are some of the districts that we can see. Now moving forward. Ma'am, wait.
Yeah, no problem, dear. Yeah, you're visible. Yeah, it is clearly visible.
Ma'am, my system is hanging a lot. Wait a minute.
So can I share your screen?
Ma'am, let me share again.
Okay, okay. If you have any problem, then I can share your screen.
Ma'am, it's visible?
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah. You can see that I'm moving forward. Moving towards the introduction to the food habits of Jharkhand, today I will locally talk about the local habits or local foods of Jharkhand. Actually, we have some more, what I can say is energetic food in Jharkhand that makes healthy and good for health.
Energetic.
Energetic and good for health. Yeah.
Energetic and good for health. Okay. और इंग्लिश में कुछ नहीं बोल सकते उसको?
Mm, currently, I'm not able to recall the word.
क्या बोल सकते हैं? Natural. है ना?
I can.
We
Yes, ma'am.
can, in Jharkhand, we can see that the indigenous and tribal people are using their traditional way for cooking their food, and their food habits are, they're taking their food habits from their traditional knowledge, which is good for their health, and it also have high nutritious value.
Yes, ma'am. We can say that.
Okay, go ahead.
Now, moving forward, the tribals eat their food with their right hand. Actually, it is not mandatory, but they sit on the mats or pidha that we usually use in our houses. That it is made up of wood or some plastic in ready-made, and or they wear low stools. They use low stools made up of hay or wood. Then they use actually some utensils like sal leaves that
Yeah.
we usually call in Hindi is pattal in Bihar. So it is made up of patri patra leaves, that is sal leaves, sakhua leaves that we call as sagwan tree. And now moving towards the vegetarian food of the Jharkhand, there are some of many foods like kusum dori, sarjua oils that they use to make foods, and
Karanchi oil is
chichra
also
roti.
there.
Yes, ma'am.
Karanchi.
Karachi oil. Yes, ma'am. Karachi oil is actually used to make some of the frying foods they use.
Medicinal also, karanch.
Yes, ma'am. Medicinal purpose also.
करंच को
Moving
इंग्लिश
to
में क्या बोलते हैं?
ma'am, don't know.
Anyone know? करंच ट्री क्या होता है? करंच ट्री ऑयल ट्री होता है करंच. Any one of you? क्या बोलते हो करंच ऑयल को?
मैम कैस्टर ऑयल.
Yes, castor oil. कैस्टर ऑयल जो करंच होता है ना, जो 100-200 लीटर में बेचता है, इतना छोटा सा करंच, कैस्टर ऑयल.
Castor oil. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
They also use mustard oil to cook their food. Jatangi, kusum dori, and surjua oils also. These are some local names of the oils that I can't know. I don't know the name actually in English. But they use this oil to make chirka roti, arsa roti, rice thekua, marwa roti, and duska also. We will discuss one after that. Now, some of the vegetarian food that people are actually using or regularly using is botal bhat, that we say is mar bhat in local
Yes.
language.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, we can. We all know that the starch of the rice water, they have lot of starch and is good for health. It is providing lot of carbohydrate, which is good and need for our body to produce energy for daily purpose.
Why?
Now next,
Why the people, 1 minute, why the people of here are using, they are consuming this bothal bhat, or you can say this mar bhat, because they are quite laborious, they work on daily basis labors, they work on their farms, they need a good diet for carbohydrates. It supplies a carbohydrate to their body and which makes them more energetic. For their the
and
food
water
habit is
present.
depend.
Yes, ma'am. And the water present in the mar makes
Yeah,
save them from
starch
dehydration.
water.
Yes, ma'am. Save them from dehydration during the work.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Now next is urad bari.
Hmm.
Actually, we all use urad bari. That is, it is made up of urad dal. Actually, we soak it, and then after uh, all doing pastes and all, we make a bari like in on a cotton cloth where it is get heated. It gets heat from the sun and gets dried. After that, we use it in any vegetable. Actually, it is very tasty to eat. Actually, if 10 to 8 brides we give in any vegetable, the taste of that food get usually changes, and it is very tasty. Now, actually, we use this bari to aloo jhor. Actually, it is very tasty to eat with aloo jhor. Now, moving to the next, it is actually the Jharkhand food. That is duska. Duska is actually one of the popular food of Jharkhand in all weather. This food, a deep fried ball made from rice based batter, it is simply be nibbled as it is or had with a chutney or ghugni. Ghugni we say usually a aloo and chana jhor that we say is ghugni. It tastes little like chicken curry because the besan we use in the duska is it gives the taste of that chicken curry because of the masalas or the that we use in this. Then some of more of the vegetarian foods are chilka roti made up of rice or even wheat paste or wheat powder also. Then pitha, malpuas, and marjor that I discussed earlier. But here it is made up of marjor is made only in the herbs like some of the leaves. Inside the leaves, we cook the marjor in a hot what I can say is container made up of actually in a container. It is made up of all the soils and that. Now moving towards a non-vegetarian food, we usually the Jharkhand people actually uses fish curry. Actually, we can say it is a all-season food. Actually, more in monsoon season. In Jharkhand, many varieties of fish are found, and they made a curry from them. Actually, we all know in Jharkhand, if any festival is occurring or anybody come to our house, they actually make non-vegetarian food for them because it is like a celebration, and fish is one of the most important food in that. Now,
You were saying fish,
the
they used to have desi murgas.
yes, ma'am, I'm coming to that.
Mushrooms तुम लोग miss कर रहे हो.
No, ma'am, it is in next slide.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
The tribals mostly use rear cattle, goats, pigs, that we call is desi murga, pigeons also, and rabbits also. Early household rears chicken, that is the desi murga, we commonly we know as dehati murga in Jharkhand. So they feed them and they catch them and they make them and it actually seems very tasty. So
I don't
Dehati
want to
chicken is
have
one of
these pictures in your PPT.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next slide. Change this slide. Change. Change.
Ma'am, may I know the reason?
Huh?
Ma'am, may I know the reason?
This pork curry, I don't think these people eat.
Okay,
Jharkhandi
ma'am.
people don't eat this pork.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, change this one. Next.
Some of the beverages are handia. It is a popular alcoholic drink among the Adivasis of Jharkhand. It is made up of either fermenting rice or madhua, or we can say mahua, or both along with the local herb. It is also referred to as rice beer or rice wine. Actually, they roast the rice and mahua, they mix together and they make the handia. Mahua brew is like some like that also, but it is only made up of mahua liquors only. They roast them and they finally heat them to make the mahua brew. Now moving towards the festival of Jharkhand, one is Sarhul. Sarhul
1
is
minute, 1
celebrated.
minute. What is your topic? तुम्हारा
Ma'am,
टॉपिक
both
क्या था?
food, ma'am, both food and festival.
Okay. Sure, then come.
Moving towards the festival of Adivasis, the first one is Sarhul. Sarhul is celebrated during spring season, and sal trees gets new flowers when the sal trees gets new flower on their branches. It is a worship of the village deity who is considered to be a protector of the tribes. Actually, they believe that a
Come to
lord.
the next slide.
Next is Karam. Karam tree, we all know that the
Karam or
Karam
karma?
Puja. Ma'am, it is in English, it is known as Karam.
Karam, their language, no, I think this karma, na?
No, ma'am, we call it Karam Devta, not Karma
Karam
Devta.
Devta. Karam Devta,
Yes.
okay. Youthfulness, bapre. Bolo, bolo, pado, pado.
Karam Devta is a god of power, we all know that, and youthfulness. So we actually all know about the Karam Puja in Jharkhand. The next one is Java. Actually, it is basically for the unmarried girls. They celebrate this festival by singing songs and dancing. Next is Tusu Parab. It is also a festival for the unmarried girls, and it is also like that only, like Karam Puja. But there it is not of Karam tree. Girls decorate the homes or the places with wooden or bamboo, and they celebrate that. The next one is Hal Punya. Hal Punya, it is a festival of celebrating of pleasing the animals, where they feed the animals and worship the animals like cow or even goat also. Bhakta Parv is a festival of group where they worship the Buddha Baba. It is a lord of for the Jharkhand, so they worship them. The next one is Rohini. It is also worshipped during the cultivation and the harvesting time. The Bandha is a festival where they celebrate the animals first and they cut that animal only at that time only after celebrating. So this is not the way to worship according to me, but it is a festival of Jharkhand. So the next one is Jani Sikar. Jani Sikar is also a type of doing Sikar to the animals. Actually, they come into the group and they worship them. They catch them and they actually do Sikar to the animals, especially to the goats and sugar also. That is pig. And thank you for listening to me. Thank you all.
Thank you. Your presentation was nice, but change that. Okay, 2 slides.
Okay.
That's very good. Your presentation is very nice. Very good. Both clear cut presentation is them. Now you can stop sharing. बहुत clear cut presentation हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा. It is very nice your presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next one. Next to my floor, you two ready? Muskan is where?
Yes, ma'am, present. Ma'am, can you share my slides?
Okay, I will share your slide. Here it is slide. I have to open it. Okay, Muskan, just wait, huh? A few minutes. I will share your slide. Can you see the screen, Muskan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Muskan. Introduce yourself. After that, start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Muskan Kumari of Chapasa Engineering College. I'm going to present my presentation on culture of Jharkhand. For my part, presently I'm studying in 5th semester, and so this is my presentation. The first slide contains the map of the Jharkhand, as you all can see that. Ma'am, next slide, please.
You just say change, huh? Okay, I will change.
Okay, ma'am. Now we are going to have a glance at the Jharkhand, about the Jharkhand. So Jharkhand is a state in the eastern India. It was carved out of the southern part of Bihar on 15 November 2000. Jharkhand shares its border with the states of Bihar to the north, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh to the west, Odisha to the south, and West Bengal to the east. Change. It has an area of 30,778 square meter or 79,710 kilometers square. The industrial city of Ranchi is the capital and Dunga is the sub-capital, while Jamshedpur is the largest and the biggest industrial city of the state. Some of the other major cities and industry centers are Jharkhand, Dhanbad, Bokaro, Hazaribagh. The name Jharkhand means the land of forest. Change. Culture. Now we're going to talk about the culture. Being a tribe-dominated state, nature has been given utmost importance in every sphere of life and culture. Branches of sacred trees are brought and ceremonially planted in the courtyards. Devotee then worship these trees parts associated with gods, goddesses. Karma Puja, Jitya Puja, Sarhul are a few examples. Poshu Mela or Tushu Fair is a
Poshu
significant
Mela,
occasion.
not Posh Mela.
Okay, Posh Mela. Posh Mela or Tushu Fair is a significant occasion celebrated. Ma'am, change. These fair are celebrated during the Makar Sankranti, wherein brightly colored, excellent decorated symbolic artifacts of 4 deity are carried by the people. This is a folk harvesting festival. Tushu is a folk belief, not about any god or goddesses, but about a sweet girl. Ma'am, you have changed.
1 minute. Tusu, you are telling, na? Tusu,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya has
It's a folk
shown.
belief.
One
Yes,
minute,
ma'am.
1 minute. Aditya, how you have shown na, that bamboo, how they are decorating. You can insert that picture, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Makar Sankranti, the pithas are there. You can insert those pictures here. One picture you can insert here because this is a vacant place, na? And another picture you can insert here.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Go ahead.
So it is about a sweet girl of tribal folk. The festival takes place as a new crops are harvested. The entire festival is a very colorful one. It takes the shape of the all-round festival mood of the tribal people where everyone takes part. Ma'am, change. Now we are going to talk about cuisines. Traditional Jharkhand cuisine is specially vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian. These traditional dishes are not available at the restaurant as they have not been commercialized. However, on a visit to a tribal village or tribal wedding in a remote area, one can get a chance to taste such exotic food. All preparations except the pickle and festive ones are low on oil and spices. Change. This fact can very well be demonstrated by the nature of Jharkhand food habits that have been imbibed by the native folks. Litti chokha also form an important portion of Jharkhand food. Dal bhat and tarkari are an integral part of regular Jharkhand meal. As a matter of fact, this trio constitute the staple food of the region. In general, the food cooked in Jharkhand is considered to be very light on the stomach and easy to digest. The mouth-watering non-vegetarian Jharkhand food preparations like spicy chicken are also popular with a considerable section of Jharkhand. The cuisine mainly associated with this state also bears a faint touch of the robust Mughal, which is vividly visible in the food of Jharkhand.
And the patta chicken?
Ma'am, don't know about that. I have gathered some information from net, and which I got, I just pasted it.
Patta chicken is also very famous. The people of here don't use this oil and thing. Very light oil they use to put. You just see the patta chicken, okay? They used to
Okay,
wrap
ma'am.
that chicken in the sal leaves
Okay, ma'am.
when they cook by burning them.
The recipes of Jharkhand are truly exquisite, and they are poised with a distinct style of cooking, which makes them that extra special. They chiefly utilize Sumter's portion of mustard oil as the medium using which they cook their food. The most known and common recipes in Jharkhand that are practically prepared in every household includes fulka or roti, bhat or rice, tarkari or sabji, and last but definitely not the least, achar or pickle. Change. The most revered and cherished recipe in Jharkhand are mentioned below. Chokna, which is a modification of tadka, sattu, which is essentially a powder form of gram, panchforan, which is a blend of 5 exotic and aromatic seeds, namely ajwain, sarso, saunf, methi, and mangral.
They basically use the gota masalas.
Yes, ma'am. These are gota masalas only.
Yeah, they used to.
Panchforan, which they make, they use it not as a powder, but only gota.
Yeah, they use it a gota masala and they roast it, and after that they make the paste in the silbatta.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
hamal dista we say na hamal dista. They used to make them the paste. They don't.
Yes.
Basically, they don't believe to use these mixes and all because they think the nutritious value which we are getting, we will not
They
get.
all get lost if we grind it in a mixie
Yeah,
or.
and it is one thing, you know, the best food prepared in the pots, means mud utensils or pots, na, they are means they are very nutritious as compared to the food being prepared in the pressure cookers. And many of the diabetic doctors means food, they are suggesting that use just cook the food in the pots because it lowers the diabetic level also, and it is being proven that the food being cooked in the means earthen pots, they are very nutritious, very health benefit. There are many types of health benefits are there. And this hania, what they are telling them, they are what something they are adding for their having some toxic type of things they're being added, that ranu or something they are saying that is not good for health. But when we eat that they are saying that the indigenous people say that when they doesn't give that ranu, then it is good for health. When we add ranu, then it causes usme nasha aa jata hai. There are certain demerits also there, but they, because they are hard working, so because this type of carbohydrate type of food, this type of means energetic type of foods they use to it. Sometimes they give this hania to the domestic animals who are means the oxes that are working in the fields during the farming season.
Yes, ma'am, because it gives instant energy.
Yeah, because it provides instant energy to work for the cattle also. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. So we can see in the slide that these are some more famous food which have been eaten in Jharkhand since long. Ma'am, next slide.
Yeah.
Ma'am, previous one about dance forms. In this slide we are going to talk about the folk dances. Jharkhand.
One minute. Let me see the slide. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me see the slide. The Sandhar. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Okay. The bamboo dance.
Fagua Bhija. Bamboo dance, ma'am.
Yeah, bamboo.
Ma'am, It's not
These
a
types
food,
of
ma'am.
ये ट्रेडिशनल ये वेयरिंग नहीं है बाबू, ये वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी, यहाँ के इंसान इतना ज्वेलरीज नो, ये सब तरह का ज्वेलरीज, यू कांट से दिस टाइप ऑफ ज्वेलरीज.
Ma'am, they used to wear iron jewelries.
Iron, brass, copper types of
Yes,
jewelries
ma'am.
they wear. Shells, वो यहाँ के the ladies of here doesn't wear this type of jewelries. You will see.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do some work. Okay, इतना सब कुछ cover मत करो. Just cover 1 or 2 things. See here again, your font size changed. ठीक है, don't go through this type of thing. कोई भी एक या दो टॉपिक को लो which will interrelate. Simple thing is that those things which you can interrelate. Food के साथ आप culture को interrelate कर सकते हो. You can include the food with their culture, how it is playing, food and culture, both you can interrelate. ठीक है, फार्मिंग के साथ आप किसको इंटररिलेट कर सकते हो? यू कैन इंटररिलेट फार्मिंग विथ व्हाट? विद देयर डेली लाइवलीहुड्स और द क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट के साथ आप उनका रिलेट कर सकते हो फूड हैबिट, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सुटेबल टू ग्रो ऑल टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप्स इन झारखंड. यू हैव टू गिव अ कंक्लूजन. आपको आप अगर दो टॉपिक को चूज करो, यू कैन इंटररिलेट. आपको इंटररिलेट करना है कि यहाँ पे वी कैनॉट, बिकॉज द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन इज नॉट सच दैट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ vegetables and fruits can be grown over here. The fruits and vegetables which are growing here, these are containing this type of nutritious value which is beneficial for this type of diseases. And because of their, the people of Jharkhand, or you cannot say the people of Jharkhand, sorry, the indigenous people or the tribal people of Jharkhand are having less number of diseases because of this type of food practices. उसको interrelate करना है. You cannot go ahead and slides पे slides, you cannot do like this. उसको interrelate करो. जो इस food का ये uses है, इसमें ये nutrition पाया जाता है. This is the scientific name of this fruit or food. The sags are containing iron, so you cannot see the deficiency of iron. The water is coming from the jharnas. These are the rivers which are the natural resources of water. They are coming, their origin is this. And the water is very good for the health. Kyun? Because the mining is there, iron is in plenty of amount. For the West Simbhum people, you cannot see the ladies are of anemic. क्योंकि यहाँ वाटर में ही आयरन इतना ज्यादा है कि इसकी कारण से एनीमिया से बहुत कम लेडीज को मिलता है यहाँ पे पेशेंट्स. सो उसको आप किसी पे भी कर सकते हो, अपने एरिया पे कर सकते हो. वेस्ट सिंहभूम में, अपना वेस्ट सिंहभूम में आपके पास क्या है? यू कैन मेक अ रिपोर्ट on your district of West Simbhum. It is also coming in the tribal area, your West Simbhum. ठीक है, cultural and heritage, or you can write a heritage. Natural resources found in the West Simbhum region of Jharkhand in perspective of Chaivasa. Like this, you can prepare a report. What type of religions you can find, what type of food habits of the people of the West Simbhum, of the indigenous people are having, what cultural practices they are having. If you are in Dhanbad, then you can go for this mining also, the indigenous people mining, how they are being included, how they are affected, how the women health, female health is being affected because of mining, how their indigenous people are not now following their cultural activity. You can make a report also like this type. For the indigenous people of your area, what are their cultural practices? While making a report of your area, you have to include all those things, the religions, their caste, their occasions, the tribes which are there, basically, what are their food practices. Okay, this type of things you have to include. Getting my point? You have to correlate. You don't have to show the slides like this. You have to do some work. आपको भी कहीं कुछ काम करना है. ये नहीं कि गूगल से अपलोड कर देना बस. Nothing is to be like that. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from next class is the last time for all the people. Okay, for their slide submission and presentation, those who will submit, they will only present. Okay, then thank you all of you. We will again meet in the next slide with your slide. Your PPT you have to present, okay? Just submit it in the Google Classroom. And those who I have told you to correct, please correct it and inform your friends for the next class. Otherwise, after that, I will not take anyone's submission and nothing to be. Okay, thank you all of you.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I came one time my presentation. Is it wrong?
Abhishek,
Yes, ma'am.
what I have to do? What you are saying? Please tell me.
Ma'am, I am saying, can you check one time? If
Yeah, I will
there is
check it.
any
Abhishek, you just
wrong
call
thing?
me at 8:30. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Today you call me 8:30 or tomorrow you call me about 10 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.